If you're coming to the end of a ball of yarn, always stop at the side of your knitting to introduce the start of the next ball. I'm going to show you how to introduce the new ball using a darker colour, so you can also see that this is a technique that can be used for working in stripes as well. So insert the right hand needle up through the first stitch, and then take your new yarn, hold onto it at the back and wrap it around down in between the two needles, holding tight at the back. Gently pull that stitch through and slide it off. Now you need to be careful not to pull this too much, but if you do find that you're pulling it a little bit, just gently close the stitch and then start knitting the next stitch along. You want to knit a few stitches. You can eventually let go of that end at the back. Knit along a little way. And then come back to the start and just close those over a little and tie a single knot at the edge, just to secure it. Not too tight, but just to hold it in place. And then you can continue knitting with your new colour. When you have knit all the way along the other side and you're just coming back again along to where you joined in that yarn, you need to take care with the last few stitches that you don't pull them too much and make them baggy. So here, just be gentle and then just check that you're happy that that is secure before you then go on and knit your next row. And these ends can be sewn into the back at a later point when you're finishing your pattern.